We are here in the 2600 block of South Whipple in Chicago on the southwest side, and we are taking a look at an open roadway, one of many in Chicago that are not suited for being open and passed through, as you could ruin the bottom of your car. You could easily get a flat tire. Old railroad tracks with big holes on both sides. And even away from the tracks, we have mammoth potholes. Look at the size of these things. If we come a little bit further down, people coming in the right-hand lane going south are going to be faced with potholes like this. And this one down here, it hasn't rained all day, but this one's still holding water. It's unbelievable. Just showing you the streets that need to be closed until they're repaired in Chicago. This is just one example, the 2600 block South Whipple block. And some of the worst offenders for having potholes are these underpasses throughout Chicago. They seriously need to be repaired or closed off for the unsuspecting driver. Another underpass. Been a couple days without any rain, but yet the condition of this road allows all this water to stand. The condition of the road, very poor for driving.